guys, welcome to TechCat, and today we will learn how to recover Gmail password. So without wasting the time, let's start the topic. You can see here is my Gmail account. I click on that and try to log in on my account. Now I enter the password and click on next. You can see my password is wrong and I forgot my Gmail password. To recover my Gmail password, I click on Forget Password option. Okay, you can see here is the option Enter the last password you remember using with this Google account. Now I enter the last password. Okay, then click on next. You can see here is my recovery email address. The Google will send a verification code to my recovery email. Now I click on send. Now I have to log in on my recovery email. Now I open the Gmail. Now enter the password. Okay. You can see Google send a verification code. I copy that code and paste here. Now click on next. Okay, you can see here is a message because you are already signed into your recovery email address Creators Hub. On this device, Google has verified it's you. So now the option is create a new password. Now I create a new password. Okay, then confirm the password. Okay, then save password. Now click on Continue to Gmail. You can see my Gmail account is open, so I recover my Gmail password. So friends, I hope you learn how to recover your Gmail password. If you like this video, then share this video and also subscribe my channel TechCat. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the more notifications of the video. Thank you.